put the wheels back on just to see how it looks, and yeah, I still need to get new suspension. I'm lost or misplaced a spacer, which is a bit annoying, so I have to get that sorted. Yeah, so far so terrible. So this is the new swing arm and this is the old rim. I don't know if it's the fact that I've gone with the new swing arm and the aftermarket rim. Oh yeah, these shocks are getting replaced, so don't worry about them, they're going. But basically the spacers, they don't line up 100%. We're talking, I think they're like 90% they line up, which ain't great. So what I've been suggested to be done is to have some spacers made up for this bike, and then when the spacers are made up, then put the new spacers on, but I have to cut down my stub axle. So that's what I'm going to try and look at doing today, see if I've got something to cut down this bolt. See if this will come off easily. Just lift up the rear wheel, easier. There we go. So that's what I need to do. Right, so just remove my stub axle. Came out quite easy actually. Might as well just check the bearing while I'm in here. Feels alright. Might as well just clean this rear sprocket up. I think I'm going to keep this rear sprocket and use it again. Still pretty good, still got all its teeth. Well, I can't find my saw, so I need to do something today, so I'm going to put this bracket back on. Well, I'm putting the tailpiece back on. It's going to look a bit funky, this. I'm not sure how it's going to come out, we'll see. So I've got the rear tail thing back on. I've actually got some new, well, some new bolts for it as well, to make it look a bit more better. I think I might put a washer in there though, just to add some anti-vibration. This is just grease from my hands. That can come right off, hopefully. Yeah, I've got to maybe just build that back again. It's just missing that bit of rust. See, it's got that bit there, and this bit's missing it because that's where rust claimed that section. So, see how it goes. Anything at the back at the moment, so I thought put this rack back on. I was thinking about painting that black, but I think I'll leave it silver for now. It's only 3 bolts to take it off, isn't too difficult. That's my bracket. It actually came out quite well, painted. So I can, yeah, mount the headlight there maybe. Thinking a headlight like through these bits here, something like that maybe. Just wait and see. Work something out. So I scrubbed this up, I put a layer of primer on it, and yeah, so that's primed and hopefully ready. Just going to put some, there's not too much I can do with this, the rust is pretty severe, so I'm going to put a bit of primer on it and just give it a coat of paint. You know, just a couple of, it's only a small bit of metal, so a couple of extra sprays of paint ain't going to go too badly on that. Probably going to end up replacing that, to be honest. Maybe. Now these wires are all good-ish, but they're absolutely filthy. 20 years of dirt and grease and all sorts. So before putting them back on the bike, probably should give them a clean up. These things, they take time. And I didn't label any of this, so this is going to be interesting, how to hook all this back up again. I want to clean this thing up as well, because I think I can use this. Right, so I've been putting everything back on the handlebars. Keeping with the original grips and controls for now. Maybe I'll change it up later. That side on, that side's on. The front brake's hooked up but not screwed in. I need to find the screw for that. Somewhere in my pot. That'll be the next job. But that's going to go in, that's fine. So I've got my indicator control there. The lights are all here. So everything's going to be standard. Just going to have to remember how it all wires back up. I think I took a picture. Oh, how did this all go? Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. So I've just put this on. It's all been lacquered or clear coated or whatever, so that's all done. It came out alright. See how it lasts over time. Considering it was very rusty to begin with. It looks alright now. Looks a bit rough there, but other than that it's okay. That's the seat latch, so I need to have that on there, so when the seat closes, it latches here. I'm not using the original seat, I'll probably go with another one, but it will be, I want to go for a full size one that will latch about here, which is good because it will hide a lot of the wires, and then around here is where I'm going to mount the lights, I guess. See, I could just take this off and chop it here, because I needed this bit for this bit, so I could, if I chop it there, I don't know, but either way I'm going to put all the lights and stuff here and stuff like that. Just putting all the wires and stuff back in. I've noticed that this wire was damaged when I was taking it out anyway. This at least I know that that's to do with the rear lights, so they're these are indicators maybe. Oh dear, I'm in trouble now. Have to remember what all of what are. I've got the manual somewhere, which probably won't help me at all, but you know, I'm feeding things through. If you can just eliminate what things are and hook them up, then you know, well, you've only got like what's left. So that should all hook into the, that's the engine, that all hooks into the engine, that loom does. I think that's the horn. I think that's the horn. And I know all of these is to go up to the headlight, and they all fit into the headlight wires, and your controls and starter and ignition and stuff like that, that's on this one. So that's that. Yeah, I just need to put everything back in here. The bracket for this is really rusty, so I've just got it on soak in the rust killer now, so probably tomorrow, and I'll just leave that. Probably tomorrow I'll carry on with this. Yeah, I mean, I wish, I don't know, I like the white, but it picks up dirt so easily. Like wherever I touch, it just leaves these black smudges. And well, I started cleaning as I go, but it's just, look, you can see where I've messed it up there, I've all smudged around there, and it's all anyway. Okay, so now I just need to, so this is on. Need to think about lights, tail lights. What sort of tail light do I want? Where am I going to put the number plate? Yeah, and hopefully my spacers come soon, because I need my spacers to be correct there. Then that wheel can go back on, and then when the wheel's back on, take off the centre stand and redo that. So yeah, whew, still lots to do.